Hi guys, my name is Jay. Today I'm going to show you how to set up Amazon Alexa Echo Dot, step-by-step guide from the beginning till the end. So I just bought this new device. It's compatible with Spotify, Pandora, Arlo, security camera, and a lot of other things. It's also actually compatible with iRobot Roomba. And in other videos I'll show you how to connect that with Alexa. So let me open this up. So it comes with things to try, and Amazon Alexa Echo Dot. This is the cheapest one you can get. It's I think $40 or something. Okay, it came with an adapter.
Hello. Let's get started. Just install the Alexa app and follow the instructions.
Alright, so this is the screen, the light you get, which tells you to install the Alexa app. So I'm going to be showing this for iPhone. The procedure is going to be the same for Android devices also, but in iPhone you go to the App Store, which is this right here. You type in Alexa and click search. You want to download Alexa, Amazon Alexa, click on get and then install. It will ask you to log into your Apple account. If you are already logged in, then it will just ask you to enter the password. So let me log in the credentials. It will start installing the app, so you can see right there. Okay, once the app is installed, just click on open, and then it will ask you to log into Amazon Alexa account. This is the same account as if you have the Amazon account. You can enter that credentials and you can log into the account. I'm gonna enter my Amazon account information, my email address and my Amazon password. Okay, so I entered my credentials. Okay, see, it pulled up my name already, so I'm gonna click on my name. Give Amazon permission to your contacts. I will do that later. Okay, so you come to the home screen. To add the device, you go to these lines right here, click on that, and then you click on Alexa devices. I already have 2 Alexa devices upstairs. This is the third one, so I'm going to click on add, this button right here. And then it tells you which device you want to add. I'm going to add Echo Dot. Language is English. Okay, begin the installation, connect to Wi-Fi. Orange light is already going in circles, so I'm going to continue. Connect your iPhone to Echo Dot. So what you're going to do is you're going to get out of here. You're going to go to settings. You're going to go to Wi-Fi. And you're going to look for Amazon SFR. For Echo Plus or any other Amazon Alexa devices, it will say something else after Amazon, but the first word will always be Amazon. So you click on that. It will not ask you for the password. It will just connect this phone to the
Connected.
Alexa.
Go ahead and finish setup in your Alexa app.
Okay, so from here you go back to the Alexa app. See, connected to Echo device. So the phone is connected to the Alexa device. Now we have to connect Alexa to your home Wi-Fi or business Wi-Fi. So how are we gonna do it? We just click continue. I have Alexa works on 5 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz frequency. As you can see, my 5 gigahertz frequency is not coming up all the way in the basement, so I'm gonna connect it to 2.4. Echo Dot is now connected to Wi-Fi. You can use Alexa to wake up your device and start responding to questions. Okay, so click continue. This Echo Dot also can be connected to the Bluetooth speaker as well as an auxiliary cable for the audio cable. Okay, but I'm gonna use the standard speaker which comes with it. It's a small speaker. It does enough for this area. So I'm going to click no speaker. So they make you take this video. Without that you can't really go anywhere. You see it's not going anywhere. You have to take the tutorial. So I'll let it play.
Let's take a quick tour of your new Amazon Echo Dot. Now it's easy to add Alexa to any room.
I'll just forward that real quick. Done. And then see, I get the next button. Next. And that's it. So Amazon Echo Dot is connected, and I'll show you by going here, Alexa devices, and right here it says Basement Echo Dot. The name is already there because I had this set up before and I had to reset the device to show you how to connect. To reset the device, just to let you know, is you press the microphone button, the mute button, and the minus button, the volume low button, both at the same time for 20 seconds, and your Echo Dot will reset. So let's try some commands. Alexa, how's the weather today?
Currently, in Perth Amboy it's 75 degrees Fahrenheit with cloudy skies. Today, you can expect clouds with a chance of showers, with a high of 82 degrees and a low of 74 degrees.
Okay, that's good. Alexa, play iHeartRadio.
Getting the last iHeartRadio station you listened to. See Murder, Snoop Dogg and Magic.
Alexa, stop. Alexa, set an alarm for 7 a.m.
Alarm set for 7 a.m.
Okay. As you can see, you can do a lot of things with this. And as I'm saying the commands, it's actually showing you the commands I have been saying to the Echo Dot. It just set the alarm, iHeartRadio was turned on, weather, and so on. That's pretty much it. Your Alexa is set up. You can connect this to iRobot Roomba. I'll show you that in a different video. If you have any questions or comments, drop me a line below. Subscribe to my channel to view latest technology videos, reviews, and home automation. Thank you for watching.